Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to change update product price on StanStore. So if you want to change or update a product price on StanStore, here's a quick guide on how you can easily do that within a minute. So for you to do that, you have to make sure that you log into your account. So from your dashboard, click the product to see all the items you are selling, and from the product you want to update, click on it to open the settings for that product. Then next thing to do is to edit the product details. So inside the product settings, look for the price field and delete the whole amount and type in the new price. And after that, click on save to update the product. Then the product price will now show on your store and the checkout page, and that's how you can easily update or change product price on StanStore. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.